Okay, so installing new bearings onto the wheel, Triumph sprint wheel. I bought this kit from All Balls. They are AB 251404. The main thing which matters is the fact that the front bearings are 6.5 and 6005 RSR or 2SR code. That means 2 seal rings or rear rubber seal rings. Outer diameter is 47 millimeters, inner diameter is 25, and the thickness is 12. Now we have the front gaskets, rings, or whatever you want to call them. They are 47 millimeters outer diameter, 35 inside diameter, and 7 millimeters thickness. The tool is quite simple. You just need, so the threaded rod is a metric 12. This is the rear wheel. I think it's 46 if I'm not mistaken, or 47, doesn't even matter. It fits right on the edge of the rim. Now you need two nuts. I bought these 36 millimeter tall nuts and some washers. Outer diameter is 37, 36. Inside diameter is 12. And thickness is 3 millimeters. On the inside walls, mobile grease XHP 222. I've been out and about. This 36 millimeter socket, I took an angle grinder, the DeWalt, I put it on the DeWalt, I let the DeWalt spin the socket, and I reduced the outer diameter. Now it's time to finish up things. Now it is time to put the safety clip back in. Okay, so I greased up the hub really well. I greased up the bearings. Well, they already have grease inside, but it's best to put grease inside the hub where it will sit. And now it's time to take this piece and put it with these two prongs towards the bearing which you first inserted, the bearing which has the safety clip. So the seals themselves, they have this inner channel and they have this external wall. You put them just in like that, and then push the bit. Okay, so brake disc to wheel is 22 Newton meters. The ABS ring needs to be torqued at 5. Okay, so taking the brake pads off the calipers, it's straightforward. You have this bolt over here which acts as a retainer for the metal bracket which sits on top of the brake pads. These are the old brake pads. I have cleaned the bolt with a wire brush and some brake cleaner. I also cleaned the brake caliper. I pushed in the pistons. I used this type of tool to push in the pistons. It's a Yato YT0610. So the way how it works is it has this threaded rod which pushes onto the exterior press plate, and depending on if you're tightening it or loosening it, it will press or depress whatever is to be adjusted, in this case the pistons in the caliper. Furthermore, I have used this special ceramic grease from Febi. I use it for diesel injectors when seating them into position, but also it's good to be used on the slide areas of the brake pads. This will not be removed by water, it will remain there. It's anti-corrosive, and also it's very high temperature resistant. It's resistant to very high temperatures, meaning 1000 something degrees. Right. I still have to clean this retainer. After I clean this retainer, I will install the brake pads. There's not much to it, just that bolt to be unscrewed with a 5mm Allen key. The rear I'll show you once I do it.